Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to AmourFabriQues. Look what I have on my table for you guys. Should I or should I not explain the beautiful pages here that I'm putting together for you guys? If you're new here, hi, like, thumbs up, subscribe. I am a craft channel that I supply vintage supplies from paper to fabrics from all over the world. I'm right now working on the kits for your garden, junk journal kits, the quilted kits. Well, I originally called them quilted kits, and you guys have seen in the past for those who are followers. If you are not yet a follower, down below are the direct links to the social media outlets. Even included here in YouTube are the video sequence to where you can see what I've been working on. I've actually started working on the quilted kits before Christmas. The Christmas hit, as you guys know, and it just goes by so fast. So now I'm picking these things right back up and completing them. Well, originally, for those who've been following, I started the kits for just them to be vintage quilt kits. So meaning there's like 30 plus pages of quilt pages in your junk journal. Well, I thought to myself, you know, what if I don't want just quilt pages? Maybe I want something other than quilt pages. And so I thought I wanted to give you guys choices. I have so many junk journal covers that you guys will see. You get to choose your kit, you get to choose your covers. But I wanted to make a pack with junk journal covers that are garden, children, everything retro. So in this short video, I just really wanted to show you the pages before I start ripping these books. I'm actually thinking, and comment down below and tell me what you guys think, if in the books, the packs, I'm only gonna have 20 of the children ones. If those who want to get a children's kit, do you want the covers or the dust jacket? Because look at the beautiful dust jackets or the book covers. I can put one in each kit. I imagine I have enough, like a book cover and dust jackets, to go one in every kit. And I actually could probably name the kits by the covers of the books. Comment down below what you guys think. I think that's a great idea because I have so many beautiful books here and covers. So let me show you guys really quick. I have books from the 1940s all the way up to the 70s and 80s. I don't even think I have 80s. They're pretty rather old. Like for instance, Mother Goose here. Look at this one. I was talking to Cindy today. Cindy's right over there. I'm not going to, I'll put the camera that way here. I'll show you what she's doing here in a minute. But like this one here is 1940s, 45s. But my goal in the children's kit, garden kit, you guys will see here, the listing tomorrow. They'll all be posted tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll be posting a lot of listings for you guys to choose from. But the pages are just gorgeous. Very colorful. Music, like this one here is Mother Goose, so it's got the music pages and the beautiful retro children. So each kit, so I imagine I have probably maybe 40 pages, so I've only have 20 kits. Each kit possibly have 2 of these. Aren't they just gorgeous? Just absolutely beautiful. I imagine you could frame these. I don't know if you even want to put them in a book. Just gorgeous. And then nursery rhymes. Again, look at this dust jacket. I did not look up the value of the book. So you get the book or the dust jacket. So I think that's how I will label these. I think it's a good idea. But look at that book cover. And now it'd be in one kit, I think. Yep, look at that. Just gorgeous. So all these books are just not only crazy old, but the most, oh wow, that is so beautiful. I wish I could just have you guys choose your book with pages, but it'd just be impossible to do every listing that way. So there's that book. Here's some more nursery rhymes. We got some Dick and Jane. Yeah, nursery rhymes. Like this one here. I'm not sure what year. I am not looking. You guys know when I put the vintage stuff in, I do not want to know the price. My goal here in these kits for you guys is to give you the variety of nothing but vintage. Hard to get items. Looks like this one's got mostly black and white, some colorful. Hopefully I can get 20 colorful pages out of this one. And then maybe you guys can get black and white as well. But look at the book cover. I think that's what I'm going to do. Like Heidi being one. We will have Alice in Wonderland. Here's the newer ones. Peter Pan. What is this? I'm not sure. Hope I'm not making you guys dizzy. I got my camera in my hand. What is this? I'm not sure what this is. Sketches of some sort. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be in that pile. My goal is children. Just beautiful. Absolutely. Look at this garden verses for children. I've seen this in golden books before. Oh, this one has a dust jacket. I want to be careful because I want to save that for somebody's book. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is just so pretty. I've seen it in golden books. I've never seen it in this one. I don't know what year this is. Looks like we're in the 40s again. I imagine when I got these, this was from an estate sale, somebody's collection through family, because it looks like a lot of them from the 40s. I can only imagine what the prints cost today. So hey, the kits, oh my gosh, look at that. Totally beautiful retro children. Again, guys, I'm only going to have 20 of the kits. In each kit, you're going to get, and the children's kits won't get the scissors. The scissors are going to be in the kits for the quilted ones. The children will get buttons and other things. But the children's kit, you'll get to choose your cover. We got 2 junk journal covers. Like, I'll even list it in there, red, blue, or yellow, green, for you. Today, I am making the beautiful gift with purchase. That is here. I was going to explain whose idea I got it from in tomorrow's video. I'll explain. Isn't that beautiful? So each kit, I'm making those, and I'll explain the story behind that as well tomorrow for you guys. But look at these little journal covers. Aren't they pretty? And these ones here are no sew required or needed. You guys can sew in your signatures, and I'll explain that more tomorrow as well. Let me go over there and show you what I got going. Okay, so here, as you guys can see, I have a bin system going on. I got the lineup. So each kit will have embroidery floss already spun up onto spools for you guys. And here, this is the quilt kits. Okay, so you'll get the journal covers like this, and you'll get a journal cover like this. Hope I can get this out here. Tomorrow I'll explain much better. So these are all hand stitched. Each kit is going to get one of these. They're 14 and a half by 10 and a half. And they're absolutely all different and beautiful with beautiful retro color squares. And then you'll get a fabric piece, which if I can press pause. Okay, you'll get a 10 and a half by 14 and a half fabric like this, which will be the backing for these. So you guys can kind of see as I do this one-handedly. There's that. So that I got to do today, put that together. The children's one will have the same kind of quilted piece here, and same as the other quilted pieces. But like I said, they'll have buttons, they'll have trims. I think they're gonna have lace and pieces, embellishments to go with them. So that is what I have on my table so far. But Cindy here, which I'm going to do a side view, is working on stamps. We're bringing back vintage ephemera back into the shop. I know I'm going to hear a huge hooray from everybody. They're probably getting tired of the fabrics from around the world. But Cindy right now is working on stamps. Back in the day, those who followed me before, I used to have them by theme. Flowers, birds, butterflies, beach, as you can see here. So she's going through the stamps here and doing it by theme. So that is what's on Cindy's desk. We can get right back over to me. I have a lot of sewing to do because, like I said, the garden kits for just the quilted ones, we got 26 kits available tomorrow, and then we're going to have 20 garden children kits that will be available as well. So I'm going to get that done today, and tomorrow I have a nice video that's not all wiggly jiggly because I'm holding the camera, and I'll explain more tomorrow. I just want to show you guys just before I start ripping this stuff up, and it's just so beautiful. It's kind of sad in a way too, because it's such beautiful pages and complete books, and I'm ripping them up. But that is what I do, and that's what you guys look forward to, and I'm glad part of it. I will not be putting any religious in the kits. I just noticed some religious books here I'm putting aside. I'm not sure. I'm debating on putting any Christmas. Comment down below if you guys want any Christmas pages. But honestly, I probably won't do a whole lot of golden book because they're smaller pages. we'll see. We'll see as we go. Mainly, I want the larger book pages here, and I want to get 30 pages variety for you guys in your packs. All right, guys, that's what I have today. I need to get to work and get started on this. Cindy's chuckling. She's like, you get to work. There's Cindy. Cindy wants to say hey really quick. There you go. So she's giggling because she means, AKA, she's got to get busy to work. And, all right, guys, I'm going to upload this video for you guys, and hopefully you guys see this video today, and I won't be delayed. So look at that old reading books. I remember this as a kid. Totally retro. All right, guys, I'm going to get busy. You guys have a great day. Bye.